Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Demmy and you're watching a Demmy art tutorial. Today we'll be drawing Eleanor from Alvin and the Chipmunks. Today's video is a video request from a subscriber.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Thank you Sally for requesting this video. So we'll start by sketching her feet, then we'll draw upward. Next, draw her gown and her arm. After that, draw the shape of her head, then add details for her hair. Next, draw in her facial features, starting from her nose to her mouth and then her eye. Next, add more details for her hair, and then finally shade the drawing and add the final details like highlighting the drawing and darkening our lines. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. So we've come to the end of this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave your comments about this video in the comment section below. Then click the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and also click the bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. Thank you all for watching, and thank you to all that have subscribed to this channel. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video.